Welcome to AliExpress, your ultimate destination for online shopping. AliExpress is a massive online store that offers a wide variety of products. You can buy many things there. They have clothes for every occasion, from casual wear to formal attire. Electronics, gadgets, and accessories are also available, catering to all your tech needs. It's like a big market, but online. AliExpress is very popular. Many people use AliExpress every day to find great deals. It's cheap and has lots of choices. You can compare prices and read reviews to make informed decisions. You can find almost anything you need, from household items to unique gifts. Let's learn how to buy from AliExpress in Ethiopia. Whether you're in Addis Ababa or any other city, shopping on AliExpress is easy and convenient. First, you need an AliExpress account. It's free and easy to make. Go to the AliExpress website, click register. You will need your email and a password. Now you can shop. AliExpress has an app too. The app is easy to use on your phone. Download it from the Play Store or App Store. AliExpress has many things to buy. Use the search bar to find what you want. Type in keywords like shoes or phone case. You can also use filters. Filters help you find the right thing. You can choose the size, color, and price. Read the product details carefully before buying. Section 4. Millions shopping worldwide. Join the AliExpress community. Imagine being part of a global online shopping community where millions of people from all corners of the world come together to find the best deals and unique products. AliExpress is very popular around the world. It has become a household name in many countries, connecting people from diverse cultures and backgrounds through the joy of online shopping. They have over 100 million users. That's right, over 100 million people trust AliExpress for their shopping needs, making it one of the largest online marketplaces globally. People from over 200 countries shop on AliExpress. This vast reach means you can find products that cater to a wide array of tastes and preferences, no matter where you are. It is known for its low prices and wide selection. Whether you're looking for the latest gadgets, trendy fashion, or everyday household items, AliExpress offers competitive prices that are hard to beat. You can find almost anything on AliExpress. From rare collectibles to everyday essentials, the platform boasts an extensive range of products that cater to all your needs and desires. They have clothes, shoes, and so much more. Whether you're updating your wardrobe or looking for the perfect pair of shoes, AliExpress has got you covered with endless options. Electronics, home goods, and much more. From the latest tech gadgets to essential home goods, AliExpress is your one-stop shop for everything you need. Join the AliExpress community today and start exploring a world of endless possibilities. Section 5. Checking out from cart to your doorstep. Found something you like? Add it to your cart. When you're ready, go to your cart. Check your items and the total price. Choose a shipping method. AliExpress offers different payment options. You can use a credit card or PayPal. Some sellers also accept mobile money. Section 6. AliExpress in Ethiopia. Tips for a smoother experience. Shopping online can be a convenient and exciting experience, especially when you know how to navigate the process smoothly. Shipping to Ethiopia might take some time. This is due to the distance and the logistics involved in international shipping. It's important to understand that delays can happen. Be patient, your package will arrive. While waiting, you can use this time to plan how you'll use your new items. Remember, good things come to those who wait. Sometimes you might have to pay customs fees. These are extra costs that are not included in the original price. It's a standard procedure for international shipments. Ask the seller about possible customs fees before you buy. This can help you avoid surprises. Always track your package to stay updated on its journey. This helps you know where it is. Tracking your package gives you peace of mind and allows you to plan for its arrival. Now you can shop on AliExpress. Enjoy the vast selection of products and the convenience of online shopping. With these tips, your experience will be much smoother and more enjoyable.